Securing my online accounts has become a top priority, and that's where MFA and 2FA come in. Multi-factor authentication and two-factor authentication add an extra layer of security beyond just a password. Imagine someone trying to break into your digital life. With just a password, it's like leaving the front door unlocked. But with MFA or 2FA, it's like having a deadbolt and a security system. When I log in, I not only enter my password, but also receive a code on my phone or use an authentication app. This means that even if someone steals my password, they still can't access my account without that second factor. It's a simple step that dramatically reduces the risk of identity theft and unauthorized access. In a world where cyber threats are everywhere, taking these extra precautions isn't just smart, it's essential. Protecting my personal information is worth the few extra seconds it takes to authenticate. So I make it a habit to enable MFA or 2FA on every account that offers it. It's my digital fortress, and I'm not letting anyone in without a fight.